Are you looking for ways to earn extra cash online? If so, you're in the right place. The digital era has opened up a plethora of opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home. No more commuting, no more strict 9-to-5 routine, just you, your skills, and the limitless potential of the internet. Whether you're an artist, a writer, animal lover, or an avid thrifter, we've got something for everyone. We'll be exploring 5 fantastic platforms where your talents can earn you some serious dough. Fine Art America, Fiverr, Upwork, Rover, and Swap. Each of these websites offers unique and exciting ways to monetize your skills and interests. So, if you're ready to take control of your income and work on your own terms, you're in for a treat. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the first website, Fine Art America. Are you an artist or a photographer? Fine Art America could be the perfect platform for you. Now let's dive right into the enriching experience that is Fine Art America. Imagine a digital marketplace that caters specifically to artists and photographers. A place where you can showcase your creative work to a global audience. That's precisely what Fine Art America offers. It's a platform that allows you to transform your art or photographs into prints, framed artworks, home decor, phone cases, and more. Creating an account on Fine Art America is as easy as pie. All you need to do is head over to their website, click on Join, fill out the necessary details, and voila! You're all set to start sharing your talent with the world. Once you've created your account, you can begin uploading your art or photographs. Make sure that the images you upload are high quality, as this will impact how they appear on prints and other products. And don't worry about theft or misuse. Fine Art America has robust security measures in place to protect your work. Now comes the exciting part, setting your prices. Fine Art America lets you decide how much your art is worth. You choose the markup for each product that features your art, which means you're in control of your earning potential. But Fine Art America is more than just a platform for selling art. It's also a community. You can join groups, participate in discussions, and even enter contests. It's a place where you can learn, grow, and be inspired by other artists and photographers from around the world. And the best part? Fine Art America handles everything from payment processing to shipping, leaving you free to focus on what you love, creating beautiful art. So if you have a flair for art or photography, Fine Art America could be your ticket to earning online. It's a chance to monetize your passion and share your creativity with a global audience. So what are you waiting for? Grab your brush, your camera, your imagination, and start your journey with Fine Art America today. Next up is Fiverr. Do you have a skill or service you can offer? Fiverr may be the place for you. Let's dive right into it. Fiverr, as some of you may know, is a global online marketplace where freelancers can offer services to customers worldwide. Now, if you've got a skill or service you're confident in, Fiverr is a goldmine. So how do you start? Simple. First, you'll need to create a profile. This is like your online resume. It's where you'll showcase your skills, experience, and give potential clients a glimpse of who they are about to do business with. Make sure your profile is professional, clear, and appealing. Once your profile is set up, the next step is to list your services, or, as Fiverr calls them, gigs. A gig can be anything from graphic design, writing, programming, or even something quirky like celebrity impersonations. Yes, you heard that right. The range of services you can offer on Fiverr is vast and diverse. Now let's talk about setting prices. On Fiverr, you have the liberty to set your own rates. You're not bound by any fixed pricing system. So set a price that reflects the quality of your work, but also keeps in mind the market rates. You don't want to undersell or overprice yourself. One of the key points about Fiverr is the potential for regular work. As you complete more gigs and gather positive reviews, your profile gains visibility, leading to more job offers. And who doesn't like regular income, right? Another great thing about Fiverr is that it's not just for professionals. If you're a beginner looking to gain experience or build a portfolio, Fiverr offers you a platform to do just that. In a nutshell, Fiverr provides a platform where your skills can meet global demand. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie, Fiverr can help you turn your skills into a source of income. And it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom to work on your own terms from anywhere, at any time. Fiverr can help turn your skills into cash, so give it a try. Hey there, viewers! We hope you're finding this content valuable, and it's helping you navigate the world of online earning opportunities. If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with more awesome content like this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more informative videos, and we really appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's continue exploring our list. How about Upwork? This site is great for freelancers of all types. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Upwork? Well, let me tell you, it's a bustling online marketplace, a place where freelancers can connect with clients on a global scale. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a web developer, or even a virtual assistant, Upwork's got room for you. Creating a profile on Upwork is as straightforward as it gets. You'll need to provide some basic info about yourself, your skills, and your experience. And don't forget to include a professional-looking photo. This is your chance to shine, so make sure your profile is a true reflection of your capabilities. Once your profile is set up, it's time to dive into the job search. Upwork has a search function that allows you to filter jobs by category, skill level, and even by the client's budget. So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, you'll be able to find something that fits your needs. After you've found a job that catches your eye, the next step is to submit a proposal. This is where you get to sell yourself to the client. Explain why you're the perfect fit for their project and how you plan to tackle it. Remember, a well-crafted proposal can make all the difference between landing a job and having your proposal overlooked. Now let's talk about the money. When a client hires you, the funds for the project are placed in escrow. Once you've completed the work and the client is happy, those funds are released to you. It's a secure and efficient way to get paid for your hard work. What sets Upwork apart is the sheer variety of jobs available and the potential for long-term contracts. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to work with clients from all over the world. This not only broadens your professional network, but also opens the door to some exciting projects. Upwork offers a world of opportunities for freelancers, so don't miss out. So, what are you waiting for? Start your freelance journey with Upwork today. Are you a dog lover? Rover could be your perfect match. This innovative platform is all about connecting pet owners with passionate caregivers like you. Whether you're keen on dog walking, pet sitting, or even house sitting, Rover offers an array of services that you can provide and earn from. Let's break down how you can start making money on Rover. First things first, you'll need to create a profile. This is your chance to shine, so make sure to highlight your love for animals, your experience, and any specific skills or certifications you might have. Once your profile is all set, it's time to list your services. Rover is flexible, allowing you to offer what you're comfortable with. This could be anything from dog walking, doggy daycare, to overnight pet sitting. Next, you'll set your prices. Be sure to consider the time and effort you're willing to put in, as well as the going rates in your area. You can always adjust your rates as you gain experience and reviews. Rover's interface is user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate and manage your services. Plus, it boasts a supportive community. You'll find plenty of resources and people ready to help you succeed. Making money while doing what you love? It doesn't get better than that. So, if you love animals, Rover could be a great way to earn some extra cash. Finally, let's look at Swap. Do you have clothes or toys that you no longer need? Swap could be the solution. It's a convenient platform where you can turn your unwanted items into cash, all from the comfort of your own home. So how does it work? Setting up an account on Swap is straightforward. Just sign up with your email, create a password, and voila! You're ready to start swapping. Now you can start listing your items for sale. Take a few photos, write a quick description, and set your price. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. But what sets Swap apart, you ask? It's the potential to earn money from things you'd probably throw away or leave collecting dust. Whether it's a dress you've outgrown or toys your kids no longer play with, Swap provides a platform to give these items a second life, while putting some extra cash in your pocket. And let's not forget about Swap's easy-to-use interface. The site is simple and intuitive, making the listing and selling process a breeze. Plus, Swap boasts a supportive community of users, ready to help you out if you encounter any bumps along the way. So there you have it. Swap is a great way to declutter and earn money at the same time, so why not give it a go? That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found these online earning opportunities helpful. Whether it's selling your art, offering your services, pet sitting, or even selling your used items, there's a platform out there for everyone. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with online earning, and there are many more platforms out there waiting for you to explore. So why wait? Start your online earning journey today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to earn money online. Until next time, happy earning!